See there, before writing notice, first of all, you have to know the important things. First, you have to make a blog, okay, and your sheet. Second topic will be there, institution's name. Third topic will be there, title. Sorry, topic means notice. Next one is there, title of the story, if there is. Okay. Next one will be there, the content of the notice. And last one, at the bottom of the notice, you will write name and resignation. Okay. Before it, you will mention at the right of the notice the date. Okay, understood? So these are the things that is most important to know before writing a notice. Okay, first thing, in content, first notice should be in formal letter. Okay, formal means suggestion, sujhav. Okay, first it should be in formal. There should be no unnecessary things. Okay, notice should be in simple way. Notice should be in limited letters, in limited words. Okay, if it has been asked you to write 50 words, 100 words, 80 words, 120 words, then you have to write with that. Okay, notice should be instructive. Okay, it means you have to mention the instruction what you are going to give to the people, students or institutions. Okay, so these are the some most important things that you have to know before writing a notice. Okay, so write a notice in your copy first. Write a question. Write a question first. Write a question. Write a question. See there. The dramatic club of your school. Right there. The dramatic club of your school. The dramatic club of your school is studying Othello of William Shakespeare. Famous play. Okay, write a notice in about 50 words. Write a notice in about 50 words. Inviting students to audition for the role. You are the president of dramatic club. You are the dramatic dramatic president of your school. This is the question. Okay. See then, first, the dramatic club. What is the main things should be in your topic? Who is organizing? Dramatic club organize. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here of your school, there should be your school means name will be there. Understood? And the topic is there what? A drama of William Shakespeare. What will be? These are the most famous things. Okay? And who will? Those who want to play a role. Okay? Or those who want to give audition for the role play. Okay? So these are the most important things before writing a notice. अगर आप नोटिस लिखने जा रहे हैं, सबसे पहले आप इसे 2 से 3 बार पढ़ें, उसमें से जो मेन टॉपिक है उसे निकाल लें। क्या है? देखिए, ड्रामेटिक क्लब है, एक स्कूल है आपका, इसके बाद उसमें क्या प्ले होने जा रहा है, उसका राइटर कौन है? विलियम शेक्सपियर है, और उसके लिए एक स्कूल में ऑडिशन होने वाला है जिसमें बच्चों को सेलेक्ट किया जाएगा। ठीक है, समझ आ गया? तो इसे ही एक टॉपिक हम लेकर एक नोटिस लिखेंगे। ओके, चलिए देखते हैं। See there. There should be a block. Okay. What was given the topic? Dramatic club. All the things should be in capital letter. Okay. So dramatic club. Okay, institution's name, second will be what? Institution name. क्या है? Sunshine Public School. Okay, Sunshine Public School, Zamania. Okay. इसके बाद आई हैव टोल्ड यू टाइटल नोटिस। ओके, इसके ठीक बाद हम क्या लिखते हैं? डेट। थोड़ा सा एक लाइन यहाँ पे छोड़ देते हैं, यहाँ पे डेट। टुडेज डेट इज व्हाट? 23।
Yes, sir.
22 or 23? 22. Okay. 22 October 2020. Okay. See there. See. Okay. See there. So here sunshine. Here first of all you will write the topic dramatic club, institution's name, the Sunshine Public School Jamania, second title notice, date will be here. Okay, next one, what will be here? You will write the content. Okay, so क्या लिखेंगे? जैसे हमें यह जानकर बड़ी खुशी है कि आपका स्कूल एनुअल फंक्शन में शेक्सपियर का ओथेलो प्ले कराने जा रहा है या ड्रामा कराने जा रहा है। इसके लिए इस डेट से इस डेट के बीच ऑडिशन रखा गया है। इसलिए जो भी स्टूडेंट इंटरेस्टेड है वह अपना नाम सबमिट कर दें। इतनी चीजों को आपको मिल सकता है। समझ में आया? तो चलते हैं, लिखें आई एम वेरी ग्लैड to inform you that the dramatic club of your school is going to studying a drama of William Shakespeare, a drama Othello of William Shakespeare, of a great dramatist, William Shakespeare, okay. The audition will start from 25 October, okay. Those students who are interested, to participate in audition, they should give their name to the dramatic in charge, dramatic president है ना, to the dramatic president of your school before कभी before 30 October 2020, okay. And in the last you will mention name, who is resignation, president, and name you can give X, Y, Z, okay. Or the name which is given in your book you have to mention over here, okay. So these are the most important things that you have to mention before writing the notice. So see there, okay. So check this and write in your copy, okay. Write this thing. Mention these two. Once again, I am very glad to inform you that the dramatic club of your school is going to studying a drama Othello of a great dramatist William Shakespeare. The audition will start from 25 October those students who are interested to participate in audition, they should give their name to the dramatic president of your school before 30 October. Okay? Signature, name and resignation should be in the last of the topic. Understood? So try to do the best yourself. Okay? Copy this fast. I will take right here one more. See, write in your copy one topic. Right there. Right, you are right there question. Right there question. I can erase. Yes, this one. Right question. You are XYZ. It means name. Okay. You are Ramesh, secretary of health club in your school. You want to start. You want to organize or health camp in your school for the treatment of COVID-19. Write a notice in about 50 words to participate in health club. Write this. So what will be your topic?
Health club.
Health club. Okay. Here school is given also. Sunshine Public School. Again what will be? Notice. Again here date, content. Okay. You will start and you will be very happy to know that okay your school health club is going to organize a health club for COVID-19 in your school on this date to this date. Okay, those who want to participate in this camp, they had to register their name before this date in school. Okay, so that they can register their name for treatment. Okay, there will be no charge or there will be no fee for the treatment of COVID-19. Okay, understood? So here the secretary of the health club XY. Understood? Write it fast. Write it fast.